Public Finance, Economics Optional Paper 1. First syllabus. Public finance and its role in market economy, in stabilization of supply, allocation of resources, and in distribution and development. Sources of government revenue, forms of taxes and subsidies, their incidence and effects, limited to taxation, loans, crowding out effects, and limited to borrowings, public expenditure and its effects. Next, reference. First, Public Finance by Musgrave. Only read theories from this side, from this book. Leave mathematical areas, graphs, diagrams, etc. from Musgrave. Only read theory side related to syllabus from Musgrave. Second reference, Public Finance by Bhatia. Read only syllabus related topics from Bhatia. In my class, I will give detailed notes covering entire syllabus. Next, Public Finance syllabus topics given by UPSC for Civil Services exam. Limited topics only. Here we study theories connected with taxation, theories connected with government expenditure, then Indian public finance, fiscal policy in India in detail. Here we study fiscal policy in detail. Taxation policy or revenue policy of government of India and fiscal policy in India. We study the taxation policy or revenue policy of government of India, expenditure policy of government of India, government budgeting. We study budget in detail. Next, government debt policies. In CSE preliminary and mains GS paper 3, we can expect questions from topics like budget, questions from current budget of government of India, fiscal questions from fiscal policy of government of India. So we have to study public finance in detail. Next, previous year questions from public finance. Previous year questions from public finance, UPSC CSE 2022. You know, question paper specific instructions. Read. Yes, from CSE 2022, question number 4A. State the canons of taxation. Do you think that direct taxes are less burdensome than indirect taxes in generating equal amount of tax revenue? Justify your answer. 20 mark question. You can answer this question in 150. You can answer 20 mark question in 300 words. So first part of question, direct question. State the canons of taxation, direct question. Second part of question, do you think that direct taxes are less burdensome than indirect taxes in generating equal amount of tax revenue? You study direct taxes. All direct taxes are progressive in nature. Indirect taxes are regressive in nature. Some countries are following progressive taxing system. Others are following regressive taxing system. Most of the developed economies following progressive taxing mechanism, progressive taxation system. Clear. Here we have to think from taxpayers' point of view and the government point of view. Tax is a compulsory payment made by individuals to government without any direct personal benefits. This way, a common man can define tax. An individual can define tax. A citizen can define tax this way. But society is getting benefits from government, directly or indirectly. If you define tax from an individual point of view, we can define this way. Tax is a direct compulsory payment. Tax is a compulsory payment made by individuals to governments without any direct personal benefits. All are rational in economics. Individuals are rational, governments, all economic agents are rational. So we have to study economics from rationality point of view. Clear. Richest person in India, in the world, the poorest person in India, all people are trying to maximize their satisfaction. That is another different area. Clear. Here please focus on question. Here we have to focus the second part of question in detail. First part of question, direct cut and paste our notes. Clear. Second part of question, really interesting. Taxes in generating equal amount of tax revenue. Do you think that direct taxes are less burdensome than indirect taxes in generating equal amount of tax revenue?